Hi everyone and welcome to my place. During a recent trip to Japan, I fell in love with sake. Not just any kind of sake, but they were sake slushies. And it was all a big, great stage production of shaking these things to get them. The sake was okay, but it was the glasses that I loved best of all that I was allowed to bring home. And everybody that was at the table was like, what on earth are you taking those home for? Well, the other thing that we do when we go away anywhere is when we get home, we have a memorial dinner and I cook from wherever we were, in whichever country we were in, and something that was like to our liking that I thought that I'd like to share with our friends. So I'm having a big dinner at the weekend, and these are going to be the foundations to my beautiful table decorating. So what I've done here is I've got a whole lot of this is very, very fine aquatic river stones that, you can buy them from the pet shop. They were a bit dusty, so I gave them a wash and put them into the oven. And all I'm going to do is fill these up with, I'm sorry that that's so noisy, some river stones or the aquatic gravel. And I'll just fill these all up because I'm going to have these all running along the table. And I love this one. And then when it came to what kind of flowers would I put in, what I discovered about Japan is that they have a lot of beautiful, beautiful gardens, and like especially street gardens, but it's mainly little perennials or annuals that don't really keep very long. But what I also discovered was succulents, as I've said before, are starting to take over the whole world. Everybody's in love with them. So I just remembered that I had succulents growing at my place, so just filling those all up. I might as well do that last one while I'm here, and then I'm not going to have to do this at the end of the week when I have everybody over for dinner. And the reason why I've cleaned these is because I did as I said, I wanted to get rid of all the dust that was there. So these here are going to just run along my table. I'm going to fill those with water. Filling them all with water, and you can see why I wanted them clean, because I don't want any dusty murkiness on my table and my table designs. Just like so. And then I've got these beautiful little succulents that I'm now going to just gently place down in amongst the stones. And the great thing about this is that these will grow in the river stones or the aquatic soil. How cool and easy is that for designing? I have to say, I like easy designing, and I like that it looks like I've gone to a lot of trouble when actually I haven't. And the other thing that I discovered about Japan is it's very green and it's very beautiful. And this on my table will not interfere with the beautiful, colourful food that I'm going to do. So there's an idea of what to do, recycling, designing as it should be. Hope you've enjoyed that. I've enjoyed sharing it with you. See you again another day.